us how can we get how can someone get connected with you guys in order to start the process of purchasing some smart home technology or just a consultation in regards to their thoughts, and maybe you can enlighten them. Hey, this is a route you can take, or this is another route you can take, regardless of their. You do commercial as well, right?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I know we talked a lot about homes, but take a note that they also do commercials. So if you're a business owner, if you have an establishment, whether it's a barber shop, whether it's a nail salon, whatever the case may be, if you want to bring more of an entertainment feel or anything that involves smart home automation, these are the guys you need to talk to. So again, can you just whether a website or a phone number that you maybe can leave?
Sure. It's levelupautomationflorida.com, and it's spell out Florida.
Nice. Phone number too as well.
There is an 800 number when you go to the website. You can either call the 800 number and they'll put you through to us, or you can book a consultation right there on the site, which is probably the easier thing to do. Just go in and book it. You can book it for us to come to you, or you can book it for you to come to us.